Is ChatGPT actually safe to use at work? Ever typed a prompt and immediately thought, wait, can I get in trouble for this? Should I have shared that? Does ChatGPT keep what I write forever? Or are you just one badly worded prompt away from starring in your company's next data privacy training video? Let's talk. Today we'll cover the safe rule for AI use, privacy settings to toggle right now, prompting without oversharing, when not to use ChatGPT, why your human judgment always matters. So, is ChatGPT safe for work? Let's break it down, because the danger isn't the tool, it's what you type into it and what you do with the output. Part 1. The risk of oversharing. ChatGPT feels like a private conversation, but it's not your diary or a therapist bound by confidentiality. So let's keep it safe with this safe rule. Share smartly. Don't paste names, financials, or sensitive documents. If it feels HR adjacent or audit worthy, stop. Anonymize. Use blanks instead of real names or companies. Fact check. ChatGPT can be confident. It can also be confidently wrong. Why? Training data can be partial, outdated, or contradictory. But will ChatGPT admit that? No. It'll hallucinate like a caffeinated fiction writer. Always evaluate before sending. Pause. Read. Add judgment. You are the editor. AI supports you, but it doesn't replace you. Here's a safe prompt in action. Write or rewrite a professional email to a client who's unhappy about a late financial report. Keep tone calm and solution-oriented. Exclude names and company info. And this is what I get. A respectful email with subject line, explanation, and a helpful tone. And ChatGPT even offers tone options or corrective action suggestions, like a very polite intern. Now let's talk privacy settings. You only need 3 steps, but they matter. Step 1. Turn off model training. In your ChatGPT account, click your name, bottom left, then Settings. Go to Data Controls. Toggle off, improve the model for everyone. Yes, you're opting out of AI socialism. Step 2. Custom instructions. In Settings, go to Personalization, then click on Custom Instructions, and paste this. I'm a business professional using ChatGPT for writing support. Do not assume or generate private company data. This sets boundaries, and we love boundaries. Step 3. Clear your history monthly. Even safe prompts leave a trail. In Settings, go to Data Controls, then Delete All Chats, and click Delete All. Set a calendar reminder. Call it Monthly Data Cleanup. You're not being dramatic. You're being employed. Part 3. How to prompt without oversharing. This is where most people mess up, because oversharing in prompts is a real thing. Use the 3W rule. What you need, who it's for, what to leave out. Example, write a kind, professional email to a senior client stakeholder, letting them know we won't be moving forward with their recent project proposal. The proposal was well crafted, but after internal review, we've decided it doesn't align with our current priorities. The tone should be respectful, appreciative, and clear, but not overly apologetic. Avoid using names, pricing, or company-specific details. That's a clean, clear prompt. Respectful, safe, and low risk for using. To learn how to write better prompts, watch my full video on prompting. Link in the description below. Part 4. When not to use ChatGPT. There are times when ChatGPT is not your friend. Like drafting a termination letter, reporting coworker behavior, interpreting legal obligations. Why? Because it doesn't know your company's laws and regulations, culture, or ethics. It may give advice that is legally risky or ethically wrong. Also, be always mindful about the confidential information. Never paste client names, financials, internal strategy documents, personal information, or passwords. Yes, passwords, this happens. Stop it. Even with chat history off, it's not worth the risk. Don't delegate final decisions to ChatGPT. Should I approve this deal? Is this investment worth it? Should I report my coworker? AI can suggest options, but it has no accountability. It supports decisions. It doesn't make them. And finally, don't use ChatGPT to discuss emotionally charged situations, such as conflicts with coworkers, difficult feedback conversations, crisis responses. ChatGPT's tone may sound too cold, robotic, or detached, which can escalate tension instead of resolving it. Instead, use it before the conversation. Let it help you reframe your message. Make it more neutral, less fireable. And finally, keep the human in the loop. AI is your assistant. You're still the adult in the room. Before sending anything, always read it carefully, adjust tone to match your voice, fact check, especially dates, figures, references, delete any robotic giveaways, such as emojis, weird line breaks, fix formatting, font, and spacing. You want people to think, wow, that's well written, not, did this come from AI? So, is ChatGPT safe for work? Yes, if you use it wisely. Use it to think clearly. Don't paste sensitive info. Let it help you draft, but you make the final call. Want more smart prompts and workplace-friendly examples? Please like, share, and subscribe for more human-approved AI habits at work.